Hello friends and welcome to YouTube channel Freedom Tech, and in this session what we are going to learn. In this session we are going to see how to install the media pipe on our Raspberry Pi 4, also how to use the media pipe to hands tracking. Okay, so this is just a basic video. We are going to install the package. Also I have here, as you can see, our Raspberry Pi 4 camera module. Okay, this is what the Raspberry Pi 4 camera module, and it's really working great. It's really working smooth for the hands tracking. So now we are going to move on our Raspbian desktop. Okay, so friends, now we are on our Raspbian desktop. Okay, and I have here our Raspberry Pi 4. Okay, simply first you need to install the media pipe package on our Raspberry Pi 4. Suppose if you are on the Raspberry Pi 3, okay, so the package is different. Okay, so we are now on Raspberry Pi 4, but I am going to say how to install the media pipe on Raspberry Pi 3 also. Okay, simply you have to open the terminal. Of course, first you need to install the OpenCV on Raspberry Pi 4. So I have already created the video how to install OpenCV. You need to simply watch the video and just install OpenCV on Raspberry Pi 4. Okay, so I have already show you. I have connect the Raspberry Pi camera module with Raspberry Pi 4. So we have all the done with basic setup. We have our OpenCV, we have our Raspberry Pi 4 camera module. Now we are going to install the main package, which is the media pipe. Okay, so suppose if you go with which we always install a normal way, sudo pip3 install media pipe. Okay, and hit just enter. It will give us the error. Okay, as you can see, could not find the version that satisfy the requirement media pipe. Because we are on ARM version, we need to mention the package like this way: sudo pip3 install media pipe hyphen mention the version. Means we are right now on the RPi 4, so we need to mention the RPi 4. Hit enter, then it will install the media pipe package on our Raspberry Pi 4. As you can see, I have already installed. That's why it says here the requirement already satisfied. Suppose if you are on the Raspberry Pi 3, so you need to simply change the RPi 4 and go with RPi 3. Just hit enter, and it will install the media pipe hyphen RPi 3. As you can see, it's installing for the RPi 3 package. Okay, for RPi 3 version. Okay, so this is the way you can first main thing we need the package. Okay, so how to install media pipe on the Raspberry Pi 4? You need to simply mention the package hyphen and the module, the model of your Raspberry Pi 4, or model of basically Raspberry Pi, not 4. If you are suppose on Raspberry Pi 4, you need to mention simply RPi 4. If you are on RPi 3, you need to mention RPi 3 like this way. So that's it. We have now our package. Now you need to simply visit the repository, and this is what the file, our Python file. Okay, handtracker.py. Simply go here, copy it, open terminal, and you need to run the command sudo git clone and paste that link. Hit enter, and it will download the hand tracking folder. As you can see, I have already downloaded the hand tracking folder, which is our repository. Okay, so after that, what you want to do? Nothing. You need to simply sudo python 3 and run the script handtracker.py. Hit enter. It will start our camera. As you can see, this is what our live frame. Now I am going to show you the hand tracking system. As you can see here, friends, we can do with our Raspberry Pi 4 camera media pipe on our Raspberry Pi 4. It's tracking our hands movement. So this is just a basic tutorial for installing the hand tracking media pipe package on the Raspberry Pi 4. Also, it's working perfect, it's working great, it's working smooth on Raspberry Pi 4. So I hope you will learn something from this video, and you also install the media pipe for the Raspberry Pi 4, or it may be a Raspberry Pi 3. We'll meet our next video. Till then, thank you, take care, and bye bye.